Ever miss a text or email because you didn't hit the notification the first time? With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can make important alert repeat so you won't miss them again. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap Notification. Next, tap Advanced Setting, turn on Repeat Notification Alert, tap Repeat Notification Alert to customize it, tap Apps to repeat alert, and then choose the apps you want by toggle on the switch next to the app. For example, we will enable it for Gmail so we don't miss important email. Tap the back key, tap repeat interval, and then select how long the alert repeats. Shorter times are better if you need immediate reminders, while longer times are less disruptive. As the example, let's select 5 minutes. Next, if you want your phone to vibrate as well, toggle on vibrate when sound plays. With it set up, now when a notification from Gmail arrives and you don't check it, your phone will remind you again based on your setting. It's perfect for busy or noisy environment. And that's it. Now your important notification won't slip through the cracks. Thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.